Match the instructions and the pictures. Write the letters next to the pictures. Do activity A from your textbook. Look and say.
Stand up, come here, look at the board, draw a flower, color it, show me your book, go to your seat, open the door.
Say and do the action with your friends.
Draw a flower,
Stand up,
color it, go to your seat,
Sit down.
show me your book.
pair work. Say and follow the instructions. Do activity B from your textbook.